To download a business document, you will first need to access the download URL. To get access to the download URL, you can make a GraphQL queries to the business document concept. In that example here, I will make a query and get access to the download URL. I will execute my query and I will get a result with the URL I need to call to get the binary content of the document. Here we only get access to the characteristic of the concept itself of the attachments. I will take this URL and place this URL in the tool that I want to use or in the script that I want to use to make this call. In that example, I will use Postman to make this example. I will first need to get a bureau token, and that will give me an access token. And then I can open the URL that I received, which will be /API/attachment, the document ID, and the file. In that example, I will take the URL that I got as a result of the query. In the header, I will specify the information that I requested to access the proper repository. And then I will send my query. Automatically, I will receive the binary file of the document. That can be of different format. Here in an example, this is a text file where you directly see the content in Postman. And then I can save my file, save to a file. This is how I would download the document through the API. Obviously, in this example, this is done in Postman, which is a developer tool. This might be done in a script, in Java, in C#, and so on. If you want to have access to the code that you need to do, you simply here make the call, and you will know how to call to get the binary content in Java, in C# or whatever other languages that you want to make the call. In case of an upload of a document, you need to perform two steps. First, get the upload URL that you want. If it's an existing document, just make a query and type in upload URL and get the result of the upload URL. If this is a new business document that you want to upload, you will need first to create the object in OPEX with a mutation, like a create business document, give it a name, and you will get, as the result of this query, the ID of the object and therefore the upload URL. Take this upload URL and use it in your script to get the binary content, to upload the binary content. In that example, I will use Postman as a mean to upload the content. So I will put here the URL that I received with the given ID of my object. In the header, I will have to specify what I want to do. With the version of the document and give the file name, which will obviously contain as well the file type for this document. Here, I have two options in the document version. I can make a new version of this document, or I can replace the existing versions. In the case of a new document, obviously, this is new by default because there's only one. In the case of a business document that would already exist, you have to decide if you want to keep the previous history of the binary content, or if you just want to erase it and replace it by this new value, what the replace would mean. Be careful here in the OPEX file name. You need to make sure that the extension you put is the correct one with the document you're uploading to ensure that the system will know the file type of the document you're uploading. In the body, you will have to place the document that you actually want to upload, the binary contents itself, here some kind of text file, and then send your request. When your request is successful, you will get a message saying the success is true. In case of an error, you'll get another type of message in that example.